Yes, my day again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone. I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Now, here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during what is said to be an attempted robbery. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And I'm presenting the video to help bring an awareness. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person driving a motor vehicle. And that person was transporting at least 2 persons who you can also see in the video, and they were inside of the motor vehicle. Allegedly, and it is also believed that those 2 persons who was inside of the motor vehicle might have been working together to rob the person who was driving the motor vehicle. The video shows when at least one of those 2 persons was holding something that looks like a gun. And the person at some point pointed that thing in the direction of where the driver was at, viewers and subscribers. And at least one of those 2 persons tried to touch or hold the person who was driving the motor vehicle. I'm not able to confirm if that thing is actually a real gun or not. It's a massive, viewers and subscribers. So I got the understanding that at some point the driver started to drive the motor vehicle faster, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I got the understanding that the driver for the motor vehicle started to drive the motor vehicle faster. And in my point of view, at least one of those 2 persons who are believed to be involved in the attempted robbery started to scream. And at least one of those 2 persons hit the driver with an object. And then at some point, the driver for the motor vehicle was able to get out of the motor vehicle. But people, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the situation itself. See? Now, please bear in mind, my people, that this video shows some things that happened during a hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
Vamos? Ayo sudah. Shoot me. Ayo sudah. Hola. Apa hola di hotel kan? Oh, hotel kan? Hotel kan. Yo 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 yo. Pilih tay. Yo. Yo, I want you here. Yo yo yo. I want you. I want you. Oh, we got it. I want you. Ah! Shoot me. I want you. Shoot me. I want you. I want you. Hah? Papi udah mana aja sudah. Robot. Mau jadi Mau jadi boy. Mau dah. Mau ada. Mau jauh. Robot. Mau ya. Mau mana? Mau mana? Mau jauh. Mau jauh.
I don't know if me hear right, but when me hear one of those 2 persons did I say while shouting or screaming, what me hear a while ago? Me say me tell you my people. Hold on, I could see if anything else happen here so. John, my people, me see a whole heap of danger there so. Me see a whole heap of danger. Look, overall, I only hope that everything is okay and alright when it comes down to the driver for the motor vehicle. Yes, I hope that the driver for the motor vehicle is okay and alright. And you know, some people on social media find this video to be funny because of how at least one of those persons who are believed to be involved in an attempted robbery was behaving or shouting or saying certain words. Up to the time, I still wonder when me hear that the person they say. Yeah, me still wonder when me hear that the person they say, me people. Me I tell you the truth. That is no laughing matter, but me still I wonder if me hear right. Some people tell me what you hear. See it? Yeah, me tell in the comment section what me think me hear. Me I tell you the truth, my people, and do just be vigilant, be careful, be safe out there. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And let me know what you think about that situation, my people. Now, in the next video, I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a person said some words that have me thinking. Yeah, have me thinking. Because in the next video I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said, or he claimed that he caught a man inside of his house with him woman. Now, according to context, I think the person mean, or the person is saying that him catch a man inside a house with a female who him in a relationship with. Now, my people, the person says some more words in the video that have me thinking for real. Me just can't stop thinking. I wonder if a joke the person I make or if the person I talk have something more real or what, because me still I wonder. See, my people, would I like you tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation pertaining to some words that the person say in another video, my people? Is what I say, because that, look and listen to this video for yourself. Observe.
So you know say, well, why do I come from work and go catch a man in my house with my woman? I'm going to up and rush to the kitchen, you know, and drive the cut as the boy jump through the window, you know. And the woman did it, you know. I'm just back her up in her room, you know, and say, what you do? And she start bawl and start crying, you know, and I say, never mean to do it. So I say, alright, yo, what you do? Yo, why you left my place? Why you pack up everything why you have and left my place? Right now, I'm having my shit on me, you know. And she start pack up her things and she has some shoes on her bed.
Yeah, listen.
And I tell her, say, you know, your man naked, you know, when we go catch her in the house, you know. And the woman I take the shoes off her bed, you know, man. And when time I look and see a woman fat piece of sit me, and I remember that, you know. You know what I tell her, I say, baby, you can't even look a joke, no left, man. Me gonna make that there fat sitting left me. But if you don't tell her, I say, I joke me, I run. See him where go, you
hear? Yeah. Me I wonder if I joke him and make when him say all of them words then in a video there. But I read my people. Me I try wrap my brain around what him say. Because me I tell you, my people, let me know what you think about those words that the person said. Because I real that the video they have me thinking. So me I go present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and based on some words that the person said in this video, I think that the person is trying to bring some form of awareness when it comes on to fake and real money. My people, look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. Observe.
It is on the outside, right? So I had this here, right? Let's check it to see if the bill's real. I put in this one there, as you can see, nothing like it. There's a fake bill here, otherwise you would see here green, and this part here green, right? This one, nothing ain't coming on at all, right? I won. Now this is our next fake 100, but it make like a different paper. So when I put in this, the whole thing light up blue. It actually glowing blue, right? Right, so this is two fake 100 here, different type of paper. Now this is our real $100 here. Now let me show you this thing. When I put it in now, as you can see the green light there, here and here. So it's real. If I flip it around, you can see it down in the bottom here, $100 bill, right? This is how dread it is on the outside here. A little get catcher there. Now let me try USD with this. And you can see the little line there, a real one. All you have to get all this one this machine because it's a real scam going around these days.
Alright, now my people, whether or not the words that the person saying in the video are accurate or not, try and know the difference between real and fake money in the country that you're living in or the country that you're at. Yeah, try your best. This is what I say, because you hear the thing about it now. You can find yourself being questioned by police if you somehow had been caught with fake money in your possession. And you might be an innocent person. But if police somehow realize that you have counterfeit money, a pass on or a spend or so forth, them have a right to question you. And for you to go free, in my point of view, you would have to give some credible reason as to how something like that reaching your possession. So if you want to avoid finding yourself being questioned by police or in any form of trouble with the law, try and know the difference between real and fake money, no matter which country you are in. You just have to just be careful. You see what I say? You just have to just be careful. I just me I left it now, so big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.